video of statehood function will be examined to ascertain BJP's allegation of violation of model code of conduct against the Chief Minister. BJP accuses Chief Minister Ukram Singh of violating model code of conduct and Speaker of defiling the Assembly. Congress spokesperson Joy Kisan alleges BJP is in alliance with NSC and IM-backed and BF. Mob tortures houses of accused in the killing of two workers from Itham Moirangpur. And budget session of Parliament begins. President Pranab Mukherjee addresses joint sitting of Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Lakhtang Monica with the latest news updates. CEO Manipur Vivek Kumar Devangan says there will be photo-electronic voting machine for the first time in the 11th Assembly election. Speaking to media persons at Old Secretariat Conference Hall, the CEO said GI sheets which were to be distributed in connection with the Assembly election in violation of the Election Code of Conduct have been confiscated from 4 different areas of Imphal East, while gold believed to be used in connection with the election has also been seized from the Guwahati airport. He said the State Election Commission has seized 6,95,000 rupees. He said the Election Commission has directed the candidates and their agents to take part in the training. He also said flying squads of 28 expenditure teams are also working.
For the first time, candidates have to give their photograph also in this election in the electronic voting machine. Against the name of the candidate, his or her photograph would also be shown. If similar name having candidates are contesting in any assembly constituency, the voters, electors can see, they can recognize the candidate by their photograph so that they don't commit any mistake while casting their vote. In case anybody's name is left out, anybody has missed out the bus, or anybody who has expired or his name needs to be deleted, the scope is still there. As a part of continuous updation exercise, we are informed to all the political parties that the continuous updation process will be on till the last date of filing of nomination.
Speaking about the accusation by BJP against the Chief Minister for violating Model Code of Conduct, Devangan said action will be taken after analysing the video recording for the statehood function.
Achievement of the state government was not supposed to be made. That was very much in the Election Commission's this approval for attending the statehood day. It was clearly mentioned that achievement etc. are not to be mentioned. State government's achievement are not to be mentioned. We'll just see the recording, must have been recorded. So let us see the complaint, and I assure you that we'll take action if such complaint has received. So far I have not received the complaint.
BJP MLA T.H. Biswajit alleged that Chief Minister Ukram Singh has violated the Model Code of Conduct while Speaker T.H. Lokeshwar defiled the Assembly by holding press conference there. Speaking to media persons at BJP office at MAIPAKPI, T.H. Biswajit said Chief Minister Ukram Singh violated the Model Code of Conduct by mentioning the works taken up by the government during the celebration of the Manipur Statehood Day. He said he will lodge a complaint to the CEO Manipur and the Election Commission of India. The BJP MLA also says by organizing press meet at the Assembly Committee Hall in connection with Congress MLAs joining BJP, the Speaker defiles the Assembly. He said he will inform the Election Commission of India and the Lok Sabha Speaker about his action to take necessary action against the Speaker. BJP Media Affairs Secretary L. Basanta says the party welcomes the verdict of the court against Nongthombam Ajay in a murder case. He also appeals for resolution of Okram Henry and Saikolan Haukip drug case, Sanjit and Ravina fake encounter case, and Lunglila Elizabeth murder case at the earliest.
Amana Chief Minister na model code of conduct khangna thugaiduna akogi le thugaire adu ani subudana lebaki leiba akogi justice tawgadaba judge amana magi Congress party ki poina assembly porto paje pachi kuni ganan thantaki masak thian ba amadi house ko masak thian ba amuba da mayama tashil mani amuba color mayama tashil mani habche thamjage adu lorana akoi marak sida aina padne woni sigumba mathong hutaba leaders sing aduga matik chadaba leaders sing u leitable lamda kegena lubi toy habdo masi ekoina ohilupatagi ekoina asi Manipur ki puthariba adu awa ana nani punamak se thorpani.
Reacting to BJP's accusation against Congress and political conferences, spokesperson of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee, Kumukcham Joy Kisan, said BJP is a party which is in alliance with NSC and IM back NPF party. Speaking to media persons, Joy Kisan says the statement of a BJP spokesperson that the framework agreement between NSC and IM and the centre was signed on 2 lines shows that BJP has knowledge about the agreement, but BJP is cheating the people. He said BJP denies its alliance with NPF in the valley but goes along with NPF in the hills, and the people should save Manipur from this alliance.
Congress party di asumba fake the base orga Manipur Prajamiam the Thamjab Wapumni. BJP na power pine of Honabata, Kanago Makoya Saminaba Yabaya, the Haiba Mataliki. Integrity Kande, anything Torpaya I will say, Manipur Prajamiam Kandi. Okula Senapati Taman Sandelda. Public meeting at Somo Pantopiu, Kaidamai Pantoka Lotopiu, Numinada, Amit Chazina, Narendra Modijina, Singila Mase, Akoi. Mache ama pho pitho e na singi lam circle octopi mase Congress na BJP to challenge madu sunglung mangoi.
As the assembly election draws nearer, politicians are hopping from one party to another. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee Secretary Jotin Waikom, who has served the Congress party for more than 34 years, resigned from the primary membership. Speaking to media persons at his residence, Jotin Waikom says the decision of party leaders to give tickets to sitting MLAs instead of considering party members who have dedicated their life and served the party from the grassroots have ruined the party. Ward number 3 corporator Hizam Nutan Chandra, along with Thangmaiban Block Congress Committee Vice President Adim Panmei and Ann Tombi, also attended the press meet of Jotin Waikom.
Congress party ki leader singna party ki damukta koi na waraktana party ki damukta thabak tawra kanda hayeng na litra matamda party ki thabak tawrakpa ticket piram dai matamdana akaba MLA am pusalaga ticket pina bu chathariba thongsi koi pendaba lorena Congress party the grassroots wajarakpa mayam sibu sumain tawna koi mirai bi tham chathariba sina Congress party ke damukta chakhotpa por su yaroi koi sei kunthra mari ki ranti Congress party da lakpa koi ki career do asidagidi loisale na koi mai lakthokchari.
The court has allowed UNC President Gaidon Kamai and Publicity Secretary Sankhel Stephen to attend the tripartite talk scheduled for February 3 at North Block, New Delhi. Irate mob torched the houses of 2 accused in the killing of 2 workers who were kidnapped from Itham Moirang on the 26th of this month and demolished the house of another accused in Kangpopi district. The angry people who came from Itham, Moirang Khoirom and Kaithil Manbi torched the house of Dem Khonchin alias Hejin 30 at Kamu village and house of Dauko Pao of Yairipok, Chinung Pokpi, while the house of Helen Waipai was demolished. Later, a meeting was held at Thumkhong Lairimbi Ima Sanglen Itham and KSO Island Block General Secretary Haupu Khongsai appealed to the people not to give shelter to those involved in the killing.
Area sidagi matam chupagi oina makoi imung manungol oina na tantokpa kanaga pamiyoi sing na haili pamiyoi sing si amuk hana jangjak pampiram labadi makoi ga chamana badandi do jangjak pampir pamiyoi kita piba
Island Block ke KSO nakuliba jurisdiction manung sida amuk hanna achangwagi yaba ekoina athingba thamkhre lalhoba group so da yawba yawdaba group mayam na su asigumba gyang khupu sing sibu makhoibu pusamna bigano mayam sibu mating pangbiu asigumba thodok asi tungdasu thoktanaba KSO na sungamba makhai thorang logani duga mayam na su mating pangbigani.
The meeting also resolved to ostracize the family members of those three involved in the killing, not to disturb Itham and adjoining areas by anyone, and not to blame each other for any incident, to maintain peaceful coexistence among the different communities living in the area, and to help each other. Wife of late Laishram Tompok appealed to the authority to give punishment to the persons involved in the killing.
Mihaliba mi hoising do Pabi ro da ikun mang na sarage tabak suba kungi mana moi da pabi gi mana marale da moi da maran bisan mana ai na ngarang hang ba matam da doctor da lai so aga lai moi ani so ya madi hingi ai ho da ina kya marau da ba magi ba sa hura da bani nga ba gi sak ja da do ai na sak pi ja ro da bani na kya gi mati harau ja ba adu ka doctor sa se lo chala ga koi rom da meeting to ban dai ju ka ko ne.
Let's take a short break. We'll be back with more news updates.
Beneath 100 meters from the Earth's surface, naturally filtered through sand stones, pure, clean and healthy water.
Yumanungi application ki mapung fava solution pir Durasign G6 seasonabio. Durasign asit Tata Blue Scope Steel Limited ki flagship retail brand ni. Durasign liner ki kudong chaba sing di yumanungi amasung mapan ki application ki khwaidagi yang ba phanglang kup na ba. Yan thaba siling amasung phaklang khaidok na bagi rai live solution pi. Panel sing ado phai ba amadi chap yung ga mai kai install to ba yai. Durasign Tata Blue Scope Steel.
Please visit Project Patterns, Nomaibu, near Kushumarpa.
To touch the pinnacles of success for your children, get enrolled to one of the finest schools in Northeast India, UNESCO School. Excellence in education.
Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. Civil society organizations today held protests against the murder of two workers at Khairamban Bazaar. Two laborers were killed and another seriously injured in an exchange of fire between cadres of KNO and an armed gang in Molsohai village in Senapati district on January 28. While two laborers died in the firing, KH Bijan was grievously injured. People took part in the protest organized by Workers Union Manipur, Kanglei Economic Development Organization and Losing Apunbalub on the Hump Bridge in Khairamban Bazaar. President of Workers Union Manipur K. London said the government should seriously consider the attack on the lives of laborers. He demanded punishment of those involved in the killing. He also urged the government to protect the rights of the laborers and prevent attack on them. The protesters displayed placards condemning the killing of the two laborers.
Hojik ai koi singnabam poem maramde ai koi gi leiriba local simising asina thabuk chubu satpa ganda yam toina singa tamada thabuk chubu changana attack torpa mayam ama phaba hatpa mayam tor kanjida ai koi gi simising thabuk chuning den bagi masak ama itare thabuk chubu satpa kina bagi aron policy ma yawra bra sai koi singnabam poe maramduna ai koi leiriba hojik leiriba paleba government amadi hojik maruina su tawnariba kukila lolup singna masi yam munna kantara kanda ai koi gi simising attack tawse masi kudak tagi lepiu matung na torko taragadi hari be tektor imijing ga moi gi imung manung lerangani macha machu lerangani ma cha lerangani adu imung manung du ai koi gi sinmi myam na horo kan tektor heninga leite
Apunba Maitai Laima Maira Lob, Manipur, All Maitai Club Organization Manipur and Maitai Youth Front Manipur Brown strongly condemns the abduction of the three laborers, two of whom were found dead. In a press release, the bodies appealed to the authority concerned to take necessary action in the next 48 hours. Two women cadres of UNLF were arrested by a team of Imphal West Commando. They are identified as Huidrom Chingkhainganvi Chanu, 22 years, daughter of Inau of Lamjau Mayai Lekai, and Oinam Chanchan, 22 years, daughter of Samungau of Tera Khongsangbi Mayai Lekai. They were arrested this morning around 11 by a team led by Additional SP Operation Imphal West Commando Dr. S. Ibomcha and OC Thangampau at Laifam Kunau. Manipur Alliance for Child Rights has demanded the political parties which are contesting the assembly election to include 5% rise in the annual budget for the children in their manifestos. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club, member of Core Committee MACR Kaisam Pradeep Kumar said child rights have been suppressed for a long time and stressed the need to frame state child protection policy in Manipur. He said the political parties must fight for the rights of the children. Pradeep Kumar appealed to the political parties to promise in their manifestos that they will protect the rights of the children. MACR has submitted 17-point charter of demand which includes action against ban, blockade, afsfa, sexual abuse to all the political parties.
Political party tare folk dia koina cover tore hoji bukse koi makhata na isan nabo hona jagini aduga election manifesto se phongdo khiba leregasu makoi commitment adum PBU through press release through their spokesperson koi is state issue oibani ko aduga koi national party sing idi magi national level da phongjaraga ju state ko specific phongba da soidina koi Manipur gi se angang singi in the best interest of the child is why Johan Birakani and Haze.
Indian Red Cross Society IRCS Manipur State Branch today presented its report for the period 2012-16 at an event held at Banquet Hall of the Raj Bhavan. Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah, who is the president of Indian Red Cross Society Manipur State Branch, acknowledged the services rendered by the Red Cross Society to the people in many difficult times all over the world. She expressed a hope that the state branch will also deliver its service to the people during disasters and difficult times. Dr. Y. Mohan, General Secretary of IRCS Manipur State Branch, presented the annual report on the program and activities of the society during the period 2012-16. Participants of National Youth Exchange Program held at Moga, Punjab performed Khamba Thoibi dance and India of My Dream, which bagged the first prize in the exchange program. The team also bagged the overall Best Team trophy of the National Youth Exchange Program. Acting on a tip-off, a team of Bishnupur District Police Commando conducted frisking and checking on the 26th of this month at Twining Sen village and arrested two armed peddlers with arms. PRO Police Department in a press release says a case has been registered at Kumbi Police Station for further verification. Fuel was distributed to passenger vehicles in Thoubal district today. Transporters and Drivers Council TDC Manipur took the initiative to provide fuel to passenger vehicles with the help of the government to ease their problem due to the indefinite economic blockage. Diesel was also distributed at Krishna, Kanhai and Sons Oil Pump in Thoubal. TDC spokesperson B. Dhanabir appealed to passenger service providers not to hike the fare for passengers. One-day legal awareness program was organized by District Panas Sagol Khangje Association Kairak under the aegis of District Legal Services Authority Thoubal at Kairak Makhalekai Community Hall. In a press release, District Panas Sagol Khangje Association says Advocate B. Prem Sharma of the High Court of Manipur spoke on National Food Security Act 2013 in the program. Manipuri Theatre Academy and Theatre Centre Manipur has congratulated well-known theatre director Warepa Naba, who is also the president of the Theatre Centre Manipur, on having awarded Padma Shri for the year 2017. Inad Yokhat Apunba SLOPELAND Culture Preservation Centre today observed the 28th Maito Ningsing Thoram at GM Hall. The event was held to preserve and promote the traditions of the Meitei people. Attendees offered floral tribute to the portraits of the Maichos who tried to preserve the traditions of the Meitei people and promote them. Elderly persons were also honored with gifts at the event. Speakers urged the younger generation to follow in the footprints of the elders for a future. The results of state-level National Talent Search Examination for Class 10, State Talent Search Examination for Class 9 and National Means Cum Merit Scholarship Examination for Class 8 conducted by Department of Education schools have been declared. They are available at the official website of the department www.manipureducation.gov.in or on the notice board. President Pranab Mukherjee said resilience and forbearance demonstrated by countrymen recently in fight against black money and corruption is remarkable. Addressing the joint sitting of both houses of parliament ahead of the budget session, Pranab Mukherjee said financial inclusion is key to poverty alleviation. He said the direct benefit transfer program of subsidies through the Jan Dhan Aadhaar Mobile Trinity has prevented leakages and helped save 36,000 crore rupees. The president also said Janashakti has transformed Swachh Bharat mission into a mass movement. He maintained that the government is committed to provide shelter to every homeless poor through the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. He said his government is making Nari Shakti an integral part of the development journey, and the Pradhan Mantri Surakshit Matritva Abhiyan will provide comprehensive antenatal care to all the pregnant women. He said with the motto of Har Haath Ko Hunar, the government has taken several steps for skilling youth and improving their employability, and National Apprenticeship Promotion Scheme has been launched with a budget outlay of 10,000 crore rupees. President Pranab Mukherjee said government is opening up road and rail routes in neighboring countries connecting with the northeast states to boost the economic development of the region. He said the government is committed to combating terrorism and to ensure that the perpetrators of such acts are brought to justice. Concluding his speech, the president said the vision of Mahatma Gandhi and other founding fathers has laid down a great path for a research in India, where the path is of debate, discussion, accommodation, and understanding. Now the sports news. ABDCFC Sky Hospital defeated AFC Kairang Awang Lekai 4-1 in the first 786 Trophy 7-a-side Open Football Tournament. The tournament is organized by 786 Sporting Club at Kairang Muslim Mayai Lekai. In another match, KYFA Kwaringai defeated SBR Nongdam 1-0. Manipur Rifle Association in a press release informs that a basic arms handling and safety training course will be conducted from February 12 to 19 at the shooting range, Komanlam Park Sports Complex. Interested persons may contact the secretary in charge of Manipur Rifle Association by February 10 between 7 a.m. and 9:30 a.m. Before we end, a quick look at the headlines once again. CEO says video of statement function will be examined to ascertain BJP's allegation of violation of Model Code of Conduct against Chief Minister. BJP accuses Chief Minister Ukramibol Singh of violating Model Code of Conduct and Speaker of defiling the Assembly. Congress spokesperson Joy Kisan alleges BJP is in alliance with NSC and IM Bank and PF. Mob tortures house of accused in the killing of 2 workers from Itham, Moirangpore. And budget session of Parliament begins. President Pranab Mukherjee addresses joint sitting of Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha.